Are you looking for a particular lotion that doesn't have hydroquinone? You want to lighten your skin on budget, and you don't want products that contain hydroquinone or too much harsh chemicals to begin with? Stick around, let us dissect this lotion. This is the Kojic Balance, the Pure Carrot Kojic Balance Lotion Whitening Care that contains Kojic and carrot oil, which is Kojic and carrot oil based. So stick around, let's talk about this right now. Okay guys, so this product, this Pure Carrot Kojic Balance, comes in 4 sets. The black bottle, which is for black people, I'm going to insert a picture. The orange bottle, which is the carrot oil based only, and the gold bottle, which is the Albertine Fairness, and the Kojic Balance, which is this white bottle, and which is exactly what we're reviewing today. Okay, so a little intro, a little introduction. This brand comes from Nigeria. I'm not trying to hype my country, but it is absolutely amazing. It's a product of Glow White Industries. It comes from Glow White Industries or Glow White Cosmetics. I'm going to leave their Instagram handle down below. They also have a website in case you want to check out their other products and probably purchase. Okay, so what exactly does Kojic Balance, the Pure Carrot Kojic Balance, what does it do? This product says it contains Kojic palmitate and carrot oil. So this product contains Kojic and carrot oil. It's carrot oil based with Kojic. Let me go through the composition behind the bottle. As you can see, so it says Pure Carrot Whitening Care with Kojic acid helps to prevent the formation of signs of aging that occurs in the skin cells and reveals a brilliant glowing skin. So the Kojic Balance, which contains the Kojic acid, helps in the formation, reducing the formation of aging signs, and reveals dead skin cells, brightens and glows the skin. In addition to its skin lightening abilities, Pure Carrot Whitening Care with Kojic acid softens and gives the skin a uniform fair tone. So this product is going to blend in your complexion and give your skin a uniform tone. So if you want to try this product out, you should definitely give it a trial and see how it works for your skin. And by the way, it says it's for all skin types, so I don't think it's going to, but if you try and it gives you any side effects, give it a break and try the next product in this line, because it has a variety of products. Okay, so what does it contain? Let us move into what it contains. This product says it contains Kojic acid. The two active ingredients in this product is the Kojic acid and the carrot oil. And you guys know the benefits of Kojic acid. It is a natural skin lightener. Carrot oil is a good source of vitamin A. I'm not going to talk more on Kojic acid. Do your research. I think I made a video on Kojic sand soap, so definitely check it out and see how it goes. So the other ingredients are paraffin, mineral oil, glycerin, and this mineral oil here I think helps in some protection. Product, trust me, it gives an okay sun protection. I'm not going to say it has SPF 20 because they never mentioned SPF 20 on it. So it has an okay sun protection, and it contains sunflower seed oil. It contains carrot oil. It contains that is all I'm going to mention. You can look it up on their website or purchase the product and see the remaining for yourself, because there are so many. I'm just going to highlight on the important ones, which is the Kojic acid, which is very good, a natural skin lightener, and the carrot oil, followed by the bitter orange, which is ascorbic and citric. And yeah, that's basically what this product contains, which is absolutely perfect for your skin. You can give it a try and get to know how it works for your skin. Okay, when it comes to the consistency of this product is a bit light. I'm not going to say it's thick like the Purec or Pure Egyptian whitening lotion. This lotion is, as you guys can see here, it is not thick. It is just in between. It's, should I say light, a bit light. It's not thick at all, it's light. I won't say it's watery, and then it's pure white. It contains a little bit of fragrance. It doesn't smell so much, but it's fair enough, and it's white as you guys can see. And I'm not going to apply that now because I've already applied my lotion for today. And yes, it smells, I wouldn't say it has a magnificent floral smell. The smell is just okay, because you don't even need too much fragrance in your skin, lotions or creams. You don't need too much of everything, is really not good. So I think the minimum they added a minimum fragrance to it, which is nice. This particular one, I think the carrot oil based lotion of the Pure Carrot brand smells fantastic, almost like fair and white. So that's basically okay, guys. So moving on to the price for the Kojic Balance Pure Carrot Lotion. So if you're in Nigeria, you can check up, you can convert this amount to any currency depending on wherever you are at the moment in the world. So it's around 3,700 naira. I'm going to leave that on the screen, to 4,000 naira. So as of the moment I purchased the product, I don't know how much it is now, because when demands are high, prices increase and a whole lot more. And it comes with this tag. This product comes with this tag, as you guys can see. The bottle has ash dots on it. It's not pure. It's not a pure white bottle. It's white. It's not a pure white bottle, but gray or ash dots all over it. So take note. Okay, so my conclusion for this product is, I'm currently on this product, and I can say my review on this product is that this product, I think I'm around here. I've been on this product for like a month now, so I can say that the product is nice. My skin accepted it, maybe because of the carrot oil content in it. My skin loved it. Usually Kojic at some point started drying off my skin, so I usually supplement with my essential oils and all that. Almond oil precisely for me. I don't use all essential oils. So yeah, this product did not irritate my skin. I did not itch while I'm currently on it, and then I noticed the way it hydrates the skin. Some people say it's drying, depending on your skin type. Maybe if you have excessive dry skin, it may dry off your skin, I don't know. But for my skin, on the oily part, so I did not notice any dryness. And I use this product in conjunction with my Dudu Ocean black soap. You can check out the soap. It has a soap, but as of the time I went to the store at the mall to pick this up, I did not see the soap. It was finished already, so I had to use, maybe my next review may be on the soap. So for the lotion, the Kojic Balance to be precise, for the Kojic Balance, I would say this product is very good. It did not irritate my skin, no irritations whatsoever, no itching, nothing. It's very good. And does it lighten? Yes, it does. So I forgot to mention that I'll give this product on a scale of 1 to 10. I'll give this product 7, which is 70%. That is fair enough, because it's absolutely, it's okay. They did a good job. I mean, coming from my country, they tried. So, and one more thing, this video is not a sponsored video. Nobody's paying me. Pure Carrot Company or Glow White Cosmetics or Industries, they are not paying me to do this review. This is my honest from my heart. This review is from my heart, and that is it. So when it comes to what I think you should know, get to know yours. I think this product says all skin types, so it's worth a try. Give it a try and see how it works for you. And if you've tried it before and it worked well for you, comment down below and let me know how it worked. I would want to see or get to know what the things you used and all that. So this lotion and the other brands, I'm going to insert a picture, comes with a smaller bottle, which is the serum. And also, as of the time when I purchased it, the serum was out of stock where I got it, so I just didn't try. I'm not using this product with the serum or the lotion. I'm just using it like that. So if you want to add the serums, perfectly fine. I heard a friend of mine who's on this product says that when she bought the product, she got the carrot oil based serum, the orange bottle serum, and she incorporated it with the Kojic balance, and you need to see her skin. Like, her skin is very, very good. So you can try this with the orange serum, which is the carrot oil based serum, or you can as well use its own serum and see how it works for you. All of them comes with a serum. The Abertin Fairness, the carrot oil based, and this one, they all have their serum. So when it comes to the most effective, the ones that lightens faster, I'm going to say this one followed by the Abertin Fairness lightens faster. While the carrot oil based is just for repair, it repairs your skin, it lightens your skin gradually. It's not a quick fix, it just takes time, but it's not slow. But I assure you that when you're on that product, you will love your skin because it's pure carrot oil based, completely 100%. So that one lightens, this one whitens, and the Abertin Fairness is also whitens and lightens. So because Abertin is very good to substitute for hydroquinone, and the pure carrot brand does not in any way contain hydroquinone. It says this product was formulated under the best conditions to suit all skin types. For best results, use the complete range. And that is the next thing I may try out now. I'm going to use the complete range next time. It contains pure carrot lightening serum, pure carrot whitening lotion, pure carrot exfoliating soap, and pure carrot body wash. I don't want any of you to be ashamed. Skincare is a journey. Own your skin, love your skin, and be proud of who you are, no matter the circumstance, no matter whatever you're going through. Just be yourself, and lots of love. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.